Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Greg Randolph from Decked. We're here to do a little Decked 101. We're gonna tell you everything you wanted to know about the Decked system. And even though I'm the marketing guy, this is not the smoke and mirrors presentation. This is just a straight nuts and bolts of what we make and how it can work for you. So Decked, we make a lot of things, but our main product right now is the drawer system. You get 2 full bed length drawers in the back of your truck. Don't lie to yourself. You know, if you own a truck, it's probably a junk show. You got stuff in your cab, underneath your seat. You've got bins and tubs for your tools. You might have a crossover toolbox in the back of your truck, which we all know is a giant black hole. The thing about Decked is it gives you horizontal storage and organization. You can access all your gear. You can pick things up. You can put them back. It's slick, it's neat, it's organized, and you don't sacrifice any of the functionality of your truck bed. The deck of the Decked system has a 2,000 pound payload, a distributed payload, but 2,000 pounds, just like a half-ton truck. And each drawer has a 200 pound payload. So you put 200 pounds of your tools, your gear, rescue equipment, emergency gear, clothes, fishing stuff, hunting stuff, whatever you need inside your drawers, and get all that stuff out of your cab and get rid of the plastic tubs that are usually bounced around the back of your truck. It is an industrial grade tool. It is made to go to work. This thing has a 2,000 pound payload. So you can load this thing up with pallets of material, plywood, your ATV, whatever it is, you're good to go. You haven't sacrificed anything. You've just gotten more functionality out of your truck bed. And the Decked system's secure. We do sell drawer locks. You can lock your drawers. When you close your tailgate, you can't open up the drawers. You can't get in there and you can't take the Decked system out. Plus you can't see anything from like walking around a parking lot. So everything is kind of hidden, out of sight and out of mind. The Decked system is weatherproof, so you can have full confidence of driving around in like a torrential rainstorm, snowstorm, that kind of thing. Everything in your drawers is gonna stay dry. It's not waterproof though, like Tupperware. So airborne particulate matter, dust, mist, that kind of stuff, it can infiltrate a little bit. So it's great for tools, great for all your gear, but don't put your laptop computer in there. It's not for electronics. That stuff should go in the cab of your truck. Otherwise, you're gonna be good to go. Typically, Decked is a no drill install. We use your bed tie downs. In each corner of your truck, you've got a bed tie down, and we use a J-hook that goes into the ammo can. The ammo can is another handy little storage compartment in the corner. J-hook connects right here to your bed tie down. So once you drop the system in the bed of your truck, you just cinch it up in the 4 corners with the J-hook and you're good to go. It is important to note, I guess, that the ammo cans are not waterproof or weatherproof. Some water will get in them. So this is really for stuff like cleaning products, tow straps, chains, that kind of thing. Okay, so that's half a Decked system minus a drawer. So there are 2 main things that the Decked system's made out of: high density polyethylene and steel, and a little bit of aluminum thrown in there for good measure. Now, high density polyethylene is the cockroach of plastics. It's designed, it's intended to be buried in the dirt, live outside on the corner, like the sprinkler box in your yard, utility box on the street corner. That is high density polyethylene. The reason our product's black is it's all recycled material. So we buy all that stuff up after it's been used, grind it up, shoot it back into our machines, and we add a little bit of carbon black to it just to keep it the same color of black. And we also add a UV inhibitor to keep the plastic from fading and getting sun checked so it stays nice and black and won't gray with time. All the steel is treated with anti-corrosion agents like galvanized, stainless, E-coat, and so on and so forth. And the overall, like the engineering is an engineered product, the design is like a deck. So you have corner posts. These are the ammo cans that we saw earlier in the corners. You have the center vert, which is a beam basically that's running down the center of things. And then you have what would be like a rim joist. This is a wheel channel. It's called the C channel. The drawer wheel actually rolls in that. And then you have these galvanized steel tubes that run laterally through the system. And so it's basically built like a house, and that's how we get that 2,000 pound payload with only 200, 220 pound product. So let's talk about the drawers for a second. The drawers roll out. They're full bed length. They don't come out all the way because we use wheels instead of slides. Everyone who's had a kitchen drawer or shop drawer or something like that that's got a slide, usually it bends or binds, something goes wrong with it. We wanted to avoid that because you guys are using these things for heavy equipment, materials, tools, and that kind of thing. So we use a basically a sealed bearing kind of skateboard style wheel. It's got a urethane material to it, and that lets that drawer slide really smoothly, doesn't bind. You can really, rack on the thing, and actually the more weight you put in your drawer, the smoother it's gonna roll, because it compresses that weight down on those wheels. There are 4 wheels per drawer. There are these 2 here you see at the end, and then there's 2 on the back of the drawer you can't see, and it basically runs like this, like a parallelogram. And you get to a point where it can't come out anymore. So the drawers do not come out all the way. But that's why we make things like this. The boxes like this give you access to that last little bit of drawer that may not be so easy to reach. But we do that, a drawer doesn't come out all the way, so you can have that real 200-pound payload, and you can really load your drawer up. Drawers have a detent at the end, which stops it. So if you're parked on an incline, things not gonna roll shut and smash your fingers in the drawer or just be a nuisance. So that's the drawer. They're, like I said, they're weatherproof, they're not waterproof, and they have a 200-pound payload. Really cool things about Decked is we can fit nearly every full-size and mid-size truck and cargo van that's on the road today. And we do that by form-fitting or milling the sides of the panels to match the sidewall topography of your bed, and then also giving you a little bit of a customized tie-down system for the corners for your ammo cans. Now, one thing you can't have in the back of your truck with Decked system is a drop-in plastic liner, but you can pop that thing right out, and you really don't need it anyway, because Decked does keep the bottom of your truck from getting scratched up and damaged from the stuff you put in the back of your truck. Now, the Decked system itself weighs about 200 to 220 pounds, and you can take it out in about 10 to 15 minutes if you need to, or put it back in. And when you take it out, it does store pretty nicely in a nice stacked package. So, the other thing that we make for your drawer system in your truck are components. Now, you're gonna wanna buy some of these with your order, because I know I'm supposed to say that, but I firmly believe that you'll get more use and more functionality in your drawer system with a couple of these things. They're not expensive. We really try to keep the price affordable on these, but they do give you better storage. So if you're buying a Decked system, make sure you order your components at the time of purchase of the Decked system. That's because we're gonna ship you all your components for $25. That's a flat rate, all you can eat. We're gonna pack these things inside the carton with your system and ship them to you. If you decide to buy components after the fact, you're gonna have to pay a la carte shipping, and we're gonna be shipping you a box of air, and that's not cheap. So you're gonna save a lot of coin if you order your components with your system now. Okay, so now, how do I buy this thing? There's a couple different ways. You can buy right here on our website. You can also buy it through one of our dealers. We've got about 2,000 dealers nationwide. We're also sold on a variety of e-tailers on the internet that you can find by searching. But we'll just walk through this process real quickly. If you buy it from us on our website, it's gonna come to you in a giant, like, bathtub-sized box. It weighs about 250 pounds. It'll be on a pallet. It'll come on an LTL freight truck and get dropped off at your place. It's then up to you to put it together, which fortunately isn't that hard. You'll need a handful of common tools that most of you guys have in your garage, a couple wrenches, screwdriver, pliers and whatnot, but super easy. Take you a couple, 2-3 hours though to do it, and you may need to have a friend to help you with a couple steps, because there are some heavy pieces you need to put in your truck when you're putting it together. The second option is to go to one of our dealers. If you go on our site and go to the dealer locator will tell you where the dealer is near you. You can coordinate with them, they can order it for you, and they can even do the installation for you. Usually they'll charge you for a little bit of shop time, a few hours here and there. All dealers are different, but if you don't want to deal with putting it together and putting it in yourself, that's also a really great way to go. And if you don't want to have to meet the freight truck at your house, ordering through a dealer will kind of save you that grief as well. So let's talk about warranty. Decked is a made in America product. We're proud to make it here in the United States, and we've revised this product and improved this product. And one of those things that's really important to us is our warranty, that we're taking care of you. It's got a 3-year warranty, and the legal mumbo jumbo on that is, if it's a faulty workmanship or product quality or anything like that, we'll take care of you. But we want you to know that no matter what, we'll take care of you. If you have a problem, hit us up. Just tell us the truth. If you did something to cause it to get broken or faulty, just tell us so we know what we're working with, and we'll know if we need to try to fix something in our engineering and production or not. But warranty, we got you covered. We'll make it right for you, so just hit us up if you have any issues at all. And that's about it here for Decked 101. So thanks for tuning in. Please make sure if you have questions after this to ask us in the comments. You can also hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, live chat on our website, call us. email us. We're here for you. So whatever you need to know, we'd love to make you a customer. So hit us up, let us know what you think, and let us know if you have any questions. And thanks for tuning in to Deck 101.